Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I have a delicious recipe from Cuba called fanguito or dulce de leche. Hoy traigo una receta muy deliciosa, muy popular en Cuba, llamado dulce de leche or fanguito. For this recipe, you only need 1 can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Para esta receta, necesitas una lata de leche condensada, nada más. Para hacer fanguito, es muy sencillo. Lo único que necesitas es una lata de leche condensada y una olla de presión o un casero. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the label from the can. Primer paso es quitar la etiqueta de la lata. So when you put it into the pressure cooker, you have to add the water completely over the can. So you want to cover the whole can with water. Es muy importante para añadir agua en la olla de presión hasta cubrir la lata completo. Es muy importante. Pero si utiliza un casero, no necesita cubrir completo, solamente la mitad de la lata. If you're going to use a regular pot, you don't need to cover the can completely. You just need to cover it halfway up the can. And I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. But if you're using a regular pot, you're going to cook it for 2 hours. So we're going to cook this for 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. Vamos a cocinar por 30 minutos en la olla de presión. So it's been 30 minutes. And now when you take it out of the pressure cooker, be really careful when you remove this. Do not puncture it or anything like that because the can is under pressure. So please be careful with taking it out. And it's very hot. I'm going to let this rest for 3 or 4 hours and then I'm going to open it. Después 30 minutos, enfríala. Y ten cuidado cuando la abras. Y déjala reposar para 3 o 4 horas antes de abrirla. So now it's time to open it and I can't wait. Mi gente, ya llegó el momento. Look at how delicious this is. I mean, this is mouth-watering. Miren mi gente, se ve delicioso. You can put this on pies, you can put this on cakes, you can put this on flan, you can put this on ice cream, which I'm about to eat. And the possibilities are endless. Puede servir con galletas, pan, helado, flan, bizcocho, y mucho más, o solo. Well guys, it's time for me to go, but I just wanted to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. And don't forget to check out my Facebook group called Leche's Cuban Kitchen. Until next time, bye-bye, take care. God bless. Bueno mi gente, es hora para yo irme. No se olvide suscribirse a mi canal, visitarme a mi nuevo grupo de Facebook llamado Leche's Cuban Kitchen. Hasta la próxima, muchas bendiciones, bye-bye.